In this video, I'm going to be talking about the aspects of the parking brake and automatic brake hold functions on a 2020 BMW X5. So right now, the parking brake is set, but the auto hold function is disabled. So, as usual, if you want to release the parking brake, you put your foot on the brake and push down. The pilot light will extinguish, as will the warning on the instrument cluster. So, pull up to apply. Only takes a second. Pilot light lights up. There's a park warning on the dashboard letting you know you need to take the parking brake off before you drive. You can also put the transmission into gear, and then if I tap the gas, now the parking brake is off. Next up, I want to talk about the auto hold. So, believe it or not, you can actually leave this switched on permanently if you so choose. So now auto hold is engaged. Previously, you could not leave auto hold permanently engaged, so you would have to turn it back on every time you got in the car if you wanted to use it. But anyway, one cool thing I'd like to note is when you have auto hold engaged and the parking brake and the driver's door is closed, if you press on the brake pedal, it takes the parking brake off automatically, and the parking brake light turns green, letting you know that hold is active but not the parking brake. And so to take auto hold off while it's active, you either have to have the parking brake on or you have to have your foot on the brake. So there's that. So if I try to do it with no foot on the brake and no parking brake, it'll say you need to press the brake. And also, if you were to have the transmission out of park and you were to open the driver's door with no seatbelt fastened and the auto hold was set, then it goes into park and puts the parking brake on for you. However, if you're in neutral, it will only apply the parking brake, and it will stay in neutral because it's assuming that you were trying to go through a car wash, but then you forgot to set your parking brake, so the car does it for you and leaves the car in neutral. So that way you only have to release the parking brake and auto hold. Hope this helps you enjoy your ride.